Hey y'all, how's it going? My name is Aline and today I'm here to talk to you about the Arctic Blast. So if you have heard about the Arctic Blast before, or you would simply like to get to know more about it, you guys did come to the correct video, because today I will be spilling out every detail, every info and alerts that everybody needs to know before they simply purchase the Arctic Blast and start using it. So if you would like to get to know everything and a little bit more about the Arctic Blast, watch this video until the very end, and hopefully by the end of this video, all your doubts and questions will have been answered, all right? Now, Arctic Blast has their very own official website where you can get it from. So I'm going to leave their official website below this video in the description box. And it is extremely important that you get it from there, because that's the only place that is selling the original one. There are other places on the internet trying to sell Arctic Blast, saying they are the real deal when they are not. So, to help you guys out, get it from the official website, all right? Now, guys, Arctic Blast is a all-natural supplement that comes in drops that promises to relieve pain in less than 1 minute, and it completely eliminates all inflammation and pain associated with all types of chronic pain. So it works by using DMSO to penetrate deep into your tissues to reach the damaged muscle and joints and provide quick pain relief. And also, guys, DMSO also helps to transport camphor and menthol to affected areas to provide gentler pain relief. So this is really cool because it really does work. I mean, there are people talking about it, saying that they used it. Sports players are using it so much because, they get so many impact from sports, and it works like right away. So as a drop supplement, Arctic Blast is easier to use and works instantly, as the drops are quickly absorbed by your body. And also, Arctic Blast is safe because it has been tested in rigorous laboratories and passed in all tests. And thanks to the all-natural, powerful formula it contains as well. So its formula is only natural, meaning it has vitamins, mineral, plant extracts, herbs, and stuff like that, So everything that will not damage your health. And that's why it gets faster results. And also, it basically helps also with your skin as well. So the Arctic Blast has been helping guys and, sports people all over the world. And it's truly amazing how it works, because it works really fast. Plus, it comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. So after a whole year of using it, if you realize that you're unhappy with it and you don't want to use it anymore, you can ask for a refund in the official website. That's why it's extremely important that you get it in the official website as well, because that's the only place that can give you a refund if you want one or if you need one. All right? But guys, let me just tell you that Arctic Blast is here to help you guys out to immediately remove joint-related pain, muscle pain, or any type of pain, So it's cool because it works right away. So if you are a sports player, or let's say that maybe you've reached that age that those pains take really long to remove, then this makes for the perfect help, all right? Get to know more about the Arctic Blast in its official website. The link is just over here waiting for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Take care and have a great day. Bye.